Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Reaper Bones miniature. This is a female ranger from the female NPC set of Bones 5. She was primed in German Panzer Grey and I started off with Hull Red for her cloak. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. Next up for the cloak is Burnt Red. This is going to be covering the majority of the cloak, but just leaving that hull red in the recesses to create some shadow. To bring up the highlights of the red, I grabbed Scarlet Red. This is the lightest red I'm going to be using, but it's still quite dark. But this is just for the tips of the folds and the edges, and some of the large flat areas that just needed a bit more light. For her underlayer and her belt, I used Vallejo's Leather Brown. Now onto her armour, boots and quiver. For these I went with dark stone, just to keep that brown look but keep it dark enough that it blends with the red. Next up is her skin. I just went with Sunny skin tone for this to keep it simple. I then grabbed dirt splatter for her bow and hair. I was originally going to do a darker brown for the bow, but I felt it would blend too much with the quiver. This is light enough that it separates them, but still gives it that wood look. To finish up the base colour, I used gunmetal to do all the metal parts. This is the sword and a lot of the details around her armour. The base is textured, so it got a once over of cold grey instead of black like I would normally do. Finishing up, I gave everything except the red cloak a wash of strong tone. You can wash the cloak with strong tone, but I didn't think it would benefit enough from it, and it's not exactly hard to paint around it. And that will be it for the archer. A very simple paint job that looks great when it gets onto the table. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been hobbying on. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi pages. Speaking of Ko-fi, if you want to help me get better equipment for these videos, you can drop a one-off tip using my Ko-fi page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.